Good morning. It is January 12th, and we're taking a look over at guncalendars.com where we archive our Second Amendment history. A couple of things to talk about today. It is the passing of Arisaka, I don't know his last name, the Japanese firearms inventor, and it's also the anniversary of the first time gun websites was on cable television. So we'll talk about Arisaka first. Arisaka, and he has a last name that I can't pronounce, is a Japanese firearms inventor. Known for his rifle, but some other rifles as well. And he passed today, back in 1915. And today is the anniversary of gun websites being on Modern Marvels, television, or cable television show that had been on for a long time. I watched this show with my grandpa, and it was pretty cool. They contacted us, I don't know, in 2011, I guess, and asked if they could use some footage for an episode they were doing on tiny weapons. And we said, sure. I didn't pay us for it, but they did give us credit here. So underneath the Getty Images and right above iStock Photo, boom, gun websites, which is pretty awesome to have a credit on a show that we've been watching for a long time. They used just a couple of moments of our footage, but you can see my hand there with one of the old mini revolvers. They had that and then some other footage with the big Taurus 44 Magnum next to it. Anyway, it was pretty neat. We got to watch that sitting in the hotel room one evening at SHOT Show. It aired during SHOT Show. So we were live on air watching this in Vegas with the people watching the live feed as it went live on cable. Pretty cool. So that's the anniversary of that one. It's also the anniversary of the passing of Arisaka. So let us know in the comments what you think. And I want to thank our Patreons for the ability to take the time to put the calendars together, to host it, and to put videos together like this to try to keep our Second Amendment alive. We hope you use this information at gun shops, at gun shows, just at work, at school, civic organizations, at church. Anytime you think you can have a conversation and this might help keep it Second Amendment oriented. That's what it's all about. Let us know in the comments if that's working for you. Let us know if this is something you're interested in seeing us continue. As always, thanks for watching.